Okay, Resonators, so I have to show you this awesome jar that I made for somebody. So this was a custom order for a customer that wanted an Amethyst Hexagon jar with fairy lights. And I've never done one of these. I've done a rose quartz one, but this was the first Amethyst one, and I was so excited to make this. Honestly, when you add fairy lights to literally anything, it just makes it look so cute. So of course I had to fill the Hexagon jar with crushed amethyst pieces. And then I had to make sure to use smaller pieces for the base because otherwise they'll be sticking out of the bottom and you don't want that. Now for the lid, of course, I used more amethyst chunks and I love to leave them big and chunky on the top so that it can have a textured look at the end. You'll see what I mean. So anyways, I filled the entire jar with crystal clear resin with my iridescent gold glitter added to it. And it just always adds the perfect sparkle with those fairy lights, guys. I love it. And I used the same clear resin with iridescent gold glitter for the lid. And I was so excited to see the results for this one. So for this one, I kind of overfilled the lid. And so I had to cut off the excess. So if you have this problem, make sure that you get these little scissors. You can get them at Amazon, Walmart. They're called flush cutters, or I believe small wire cutters. And these things work wonders for cutting really close to the edge and making it nice and smooth. So then I filed it down and this is the result. I think this one came out so pretty. You can store anything in this from Q-tips to makeup, jewelry, anything like that. And it's such a cute accent to any desk. So rate this from 1 to 10.